Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a little Christmas set. I'm going to be using Modelones gels today. So I'm going to give all 4 nails a coat of 0007 to start with.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
Right guys, so they've all had 2 coats. Now I'm going in with a matte top coat because I'm going to be doing artwork on these nails. So I want to seal that base colour in anyway. But I just find when you're doing any artwork, it applies so much nicer on a matte surface. Now I'm using a black gel paint and a striping brush.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just waste another day. I don't wanna stay. You say we need a change. Feel that you need it. But you're so right. We're losing track of time. Buying things online.
Right, so I've pulled out this turquoise, guys. Tanager Turquoise. And I'm going to fill in this area here. I'm just going to use my little detailer brush now just to take it up to that black line.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, na 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 na.
I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. This is the middle nail. And I'm going to be using a Melodysusie gel polish because I haven't got a light enough orange in the Modelones. So this is a Melodysusie colour 312. This is the ring finger, and on the ring finger we're going to be using the Modelones Love Bird.
there's songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my
Then on the pinky, I'm going to use Madam Glam's Meet Me in New York, but I might go over this with another colour as well, because this is actually orange.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
And then over the top of this sort of coral colour, I just want to apply a coat of 0018 of the Modelones, just to make it more of a pink. But if I was just to put this on, it would have been the wrong shade. It needed to be a bit brighter. Right, so I pulled out this glow-in-the-dark powder, guys, because this orange gel polish isn't glow-in-the-dark, and I want it to glow. So I'm just going to rub some of this into that tacky layer of that gel polish. I'm going to do the same with the pink. Going over them with a cheap matte top coat again. Right, so to start with, we're going to do the pointer finger, and I'm going to be using the Modelones Gel Art Liner in colour number 019. I'm going to do a little shadow line. Like that. For the orange, we're using 023. For this one, we're going to use 020. And then lastly, the pink one, we're going to use 024. I'm using a white gel paint, and we're going to do the light reflection line. Like that. Pop that in the lamp. Now I'm using a gold metallic gel paint, and I'm going to paint the screw on the top of the light. I'm just using the black gel paint now to outline that screw and give it some detail. Make it look a little bit more cartoony. And then I shall do that on the other 4 nails, but I'll do them off camera, guys, to save time. Right, so these are all ready for some top coat now, guys. So I'm going to be using the Modelones Matte top coat. So there we are, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? I think they're really, really smart. Really, really cool set. I really enjoyed doing them as well. And just to make these extra special, they glow in the dark as well. So should we take a look at them glowing in the dark? 1 second. I'm going to turn all the lights out. I'm just going to have to give them a little charge very quickly. Ta-da! Look at them, guys. How cool are they? I love glow in the dark stuff. I'm like a big kid. So that's them glowing in the dark. Oh no, I can't find my lamp. Well, found it. So everything that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.